This is Ezekiel here from AsiaForexMentor.com. Okay, I would like to show you guys how do you actually draw a Fibonacci. Okay, a lot of guys out there have this question on how do you actually know whether the fib that you're drawing is a correct one, alright, or whether you are drawing the wrong direction, alright. Okay, so let me show you guys down here. Okay, let me zoom this out. So what we can see over here, okay, is I draw this at point A, the low, alright, at point B, the high, alright, and we wait for point C to happen. Alright, so it goes down to this area. Alright, this is point C. And what is point D? Point D is at the top of the area. Alright, so how do we know a fib actually works in such a way is that we draw it in the direction of the trend. Okay, in the direction of the trend. If it's an upward trend, we draw it upwards. Therefore, we start our point A from the bottom to the point B at the top. Alright, so we draw it upwards. Alright, if it's a downward trend, okay, then we draw it downwards. We draw the point A at the top and the point B at the bottom. Okay, so in this scenario, okay, so what we can see down here is our fib. Alright, is our fib. So we can see, we draw it over here. And how do we know that the fib is drawn correctly? Is such that the points meets the fib levels, alright, nicely. Alright, can we see over here? Over here? Over this area? Alright, then in confluence over here. Okay, then we can see over here. Alright, then we can see over this area and over this area. Alright, we can see the price touches the fib values, the levels, nicely. Alright, then we know we have drawn the fib correctly. Okay, so in this trade, alright, which I've shared with my members of our private group, alright, we have taken this pair, the pound Swiss franc, the 4-hour chart. Alright, if, okay, this is an upward trend, therefore we draw a point A here, a point B here. Alright, so it went down, it goes to the 23.6 level, to the 38.2, to the 50 level, and to the 61.8. Alright, please note that the 61.8 and the 50 levels are the levels which we love it a lot. Alright, these are the levels where price usually meets a good deal of resistance at the fib. Alright, so these are important levels which you will expect a retracement from these levels. Okay, so when we can see price goes down, retraces down until the 61.8 level, and it shows a pin bar. Alright, a nice looking pin bar over here. Alright, you can see the eyes and the nose and the two eyes and the long nose protruding out of the 61.8 level. Okay, so if you have taken this, alright, and let's look at what the next bar was. It was another pin bar. Okay, it's another pin bar. So it's the two confirming pin bars. Alright, we have played this up, and we should have taken partial profits at the 365 area. Alright, we should have taken partial profits at the 365 area, and we will have trailed it after which, or we have another profit level after which. This is at your own discretion. So what we can see here is this is a entry point. Alright, had we missed this, we goes up all the way, we see a pin bar that shoots it down. Alright, remember, I always advise against taking trades that are against the main trend. Alright, this is a pin bar that is against the trend. Alright, so you went down. If you had taken this, you would have gotten a quick profit. Alright, probably at the 365 area, and then we see a nice looking pin with a long nose of the confluence of the 365, and the fib level, and this is a price pivot area. Alright, it's a price pivot area. So I have told members in my group that this is a good pin bar. Alright, so we entered on this. Alright, we have taken partial profits over here, and we are still trailing after it. Alright, if it retraces, it's okay because we have already moved our stop loss to break even. Alright, and if it continues on, we will take our full profits, or we will trade after it for a bigger profit. Alright, this is how we trade, and this is trading with price action and confluence. Alright, if you like this, there is even better stuff in our group, in our course. Alright, and I look to see you in our group. Alright, thank you.